Hey everyone, Adrian here. Yeah, this is my weekly vlog that I started, and I figured I'd talk a little bit about the lessons from this week. So, this week was really interesting because actually one of my posts on LinkedIn really blew up. It was this one specifically. I don't know if you guys got a chance to look at it, but yeah, I posted it on Monday, and then like Friday afternoon, like people started commenting on it. And yeah, it just started blowing up basically. It's reached like 5,500 impressions at the time of this recording. And it might continue going up because, to be honest, people are still commenting. Like every time I check, like the number of comments keeps increasing, which is great because it gets like I'm getting a lot of attention from people in the software industry, which is my niche. So I'm really happy about that. But I have to say, some comments, oh my God, some comments have gone pretty far, I'd say, in attacking me. But, it's part of the game. And I have to admit, my post was very provocative. And yeah, I did that intentionally. I did it, yeah, like full transparency. I did it to basically like get attention from the software industry, and it worked. Look at all the reach I'm getting, and all the comments and all the engagement. So yeah, that's exactly what I intended to do. I just didn't expect it to blow up this much. But yeah, it's a nice surprise either way. And in terms of the post itself, I just wanted to clarify like a few things. Like as I mentioned, my hook is very provocative. I just fired my entire dev team. I hired AI instead, and obviously, like I have an army of developers coming at me, um, attacking me for basically this hook. And I have to say, it's not entirely true. Like I work with freelancers mainly when it comes with developers. But it's true that I decided recently that I didn't want to work with freelancers anymore because I realized how much value and how much AI can bring to my business basically. I've been coding myself using AI, and I'm a software developer. I think that's something that most people missed or don't think I am, because I'm not like the typical software developer that puts all the languages that he knows on his profile. I'm a lot more business focused. So yeah, people, I guess like the developers thought maybe I was just like a business owner, and that didn't know how to code, and I was just using AI like naively, but that's not the case at all. And I've actually been learning a lot in terms of like software development by using AI, which has been great. Like I've never built a full stack app before, and like I'm learning on the go. Like I had a few concepts from university. I studied computer science for those that don't know me, and then yeah, data science as well. So yeah, I have some concepts when it comes to computer science, but I'm learning a lot. And it's funny because one of the comments mentioned, be careful because like AI might wipe out your database, and that actually happened to me. As I was like implementing some tests, I did wipe out my database, but thankfully I had a backup, so it worked out just fine. Like I just restored it from the backup, and even if like some people have clearly gone out of their way and like have taken the post way out of context, and just kind of like attacked me. I've learned a lot from them. I've learned a lot to see like a little bit like what the landscape is when it comes to like AI and software development, and I can sense some fear within software developers, especially from like business people. That yeah, business people might think that AI is replacing them, but as another comment also said, like it's basically just raising the bar. Like that's really like my thinking here. It's raised the bar in terms of what to expect from developers. Like the developers that I was working with, they weren't using AI, and that's a little bit what annoyed me here, because I realized how much AI could bring and how much code it could produce. So I started relying on AI a lot more, and also because like this is my app after all, I wanted to be in control, and AI has allowed me to do that. I don't have to rely on developers to basically learn about like back end and front end development anymore. I can just learn it on my own with AI. Even and I have to admit, like AI isn't perfect at all, but I am working on like yeah, improving my app, and I'm also learning to use AI like in a good way, like preventing it from making mistakes and so on. So yeah, the only way is up. I already have like a few plans to make like my process even more efficient, and like I'm super excited about the future, about like what AI is bringing to like the software industry. Like I'm really excited about it. And yeah, I hope like everyone else in the software industry shares that enthusiasm with me as well. But I sense some fear, honestly, which is normal because I mean, like software has been around for a long, long time, and AI is just like accelerating like the whole software development process like crazy. So I guess some people are just like scared of change, which is kind of how to say funny because I mean the software developers are the ones creating the AI, so it should really not be the case. But hey, to each their own. Anyways, that was like my weekly updates. Yeah, it was mainly about like this post because that was the big lesson for me this week. To be honest, this post made my week. And yeah, I'm super happy about it, and I'll see you at the next one. Take care.